This is the vintage headlight. We will show you to assemble for this complete home-built bikes. Okay. This headlight is a little bit look vintage look, and like the tail light here, because the manual harness we already made for these two lights. So now we show you the complete bike after assemble and then test the drive. We will use the lights to this bike. So in the future, this headlight can be also the optional item for the customer. If you want your bike to have this headlight, so we need to take the headlight shell off and then screw and then fix the headlight with the nut to the bracket of the headlight bracket. After that, and then put the headlight shell lens back to the headlight and use a small screw to fix the lens. Alright, so this is the headlight of this kind of headlight performance like this. So it's an optional item.